Okay, so this is part two of backend development and APIs, basic Node and Express. This is a little bit more difficult than the first part where it's just console.log and saying hello world. Um, in this case, go ahead and make sure you have your Replit account. Um, and from part one, uh, basically clone the repository over to the Replit account. That'll make it a lot easier than doing all this by hand. Um, Once you have Replit open, you can basically use this here to use this as a template to solve this relatively easily. So function, request, response, response.send, and then the response string, what the response string should be is hello express. We're going to be using app.get. So app.get will be the function, and then the response string will be hello express. Um, Now, that has to match the root path, which in this case is just /. So let's go over to Replit, and your package.json, as long as you imported from freeCodeCamp, should already have the dependency of Express. So through npm, Express will be automatically installed. We don't have to worry about that. It's already listening on port 3000 here through server.js. So you can see the port is listed as 3000. You're not supposed to touch this file. It can mess up things. So don't modify server.js, and then package.json is fine as well. You just want to focus on myapp.js. So click that, so myapp.js. It's already going to require Express up at the top, so we don't have to add that. And then, like I was saying, so your function app.get, and then a space, open your parentheses, and then we're going to do that / to set the directory, comma, space, and then now you can do what you want here. It makes it easier if you just list it as REQ or request or something that would make sense to people that come and look at your code later. So you could say request, comma, response, request, comma, in this case RES, which is just short for response, equal sign, greater than sign, and then curly brackets. These have to match. So if we say response here, then it should be response.send. If it's res here, then it's res.send. And then here's that string that we're serving to people. So if they visit this web page, it would serve this content to them. So open parentheses, hello express, close parentheses, semicolon, and then close it out. So close it out with the curly brackets, and then close out your parentheses. So after that's done, just modify myapp.js. Then you can run it on your Replit account. You'll see npm starting. npm will do its installation. And then if everything went correctly, it should say hello express here. So that's what it would look like on the web. Go ahead and grab your live link here, and then you can go back to freeCodeCamp, paste this in. Okay, I've completed the challenge, and you're good to go. All right, thanks.